Velkin. Join my trophies, Nithing. Fail and fall. Open wide. Crawl, Craven. Beg Bath Skin. Dark and deep. Burst blood sack. Kneel, churl. Yield, slave. Go down. Weep, Fetelkin. Bow to me. Give way, caitiff. Shattered weakling. Heel, dog. Break. Bleed. Feel this. Back, Nithing. Jin and Velkin. Feed me, Lord. Prince and power. I banish you. Break and fall. Regroup. Be quick about it, mortal. Begone, mortal. I yield. You test my patience, mortal. You are in my service. I expect my orders to be carried out. You destroyed the Sigil Tower at Ganona. My kin say you fought well. You cannot deceive me. Anaxes has fallen. Now I must restore order to the garden myself, and this angers me. Since the Zivilai Anaxes, Lord of the Savage Garden, has fallen, you must now face me in battle. There is but one path forward, and I hold the key. Anaxes is free. Order is restored to the Savage Garden. You have served me well. In return for your service, I will give you the key to the Forbidden Grotto, if you still wish it. This area is off limits, Worm. Get back to your cage. You are not to speak to me, Worm. What's going on here? Who's this? Menkar Cameron's chattels trapped the Zivilai Anaxes in a cave. He is their lord, and thus they mock him and me. Free Anaxes, and restore order to the garden, and you shall have the bands of the Chosen. You cannot pass through the door to the Forbidden Grotto unless you wear the bands. At Menkar Cameron's command, a favored few are given the bands of the Chosen and may leave the Savage Garden. The one path from the Savage Garden is through the Forbidden Grotto. Only those wearing the bands of the Chosen are allowed to leave the garden. Our clan sacked your city of Kvatch. A trifling task, fit for scamps. Your swift retribution earned you much respect among my people. We had not expected that a mortal would act with such resolution and honor. It is no dishonor for us to speak, talk or not as you choose. But you will listen. You speak directly, like one of my people almost. I'm glad I did not kill you immediately, like all mortals. You talk when you should listen. You will have your chance for battle, if you wish it. There is but one way out of the garden. I guard that path. You will travel that path, and it will bring me honor to defeat you. But you shamed my kin at Ganona. To bring you into my service, that would also bring me honor. So I offer you a choice. Would you confront me in battle, or offer me service? There is one path from the Savage Garden. I guard that path. In return for your service, I offer you the key to that path. I find myself in your debt, and this irks me. I am honor-bound to repay my debt to you. If you will it, if you refuse a gift from an enemy, you may choose instead to prove your honor upon me in combat by giving you this choice, gift or battle. I discharge my debt to you. You are impertinent mortal. I did not offer to answer questions. Your mind follows the simple path, the choice of an animal. But you have courage at least. You will fail, mortal. And then where will you be? Dead and nothing. An intriguing choice. And I have a task in mind that will test your wit and your loyalty. However, his shame attaches to me, and though the matter is too small for my attention, it is not too small for one of my servants. The rabble of the Savage Garden have imprisoned the Zivilai Anaxes. I consider his humiliation a fitting punishment. Free Zivilai Anaxes, and I shall reward you with the key to the Forbidden Grotto, the bands of the Chosen. I am tasked with keeping order here in the Savage Garden, where Mangkok Cameron's chattels challenge themselves in unceasing combat. By freeing the Zivilai Anaxes, you restored the order to the garden that the Unmortals had upset by imprisoning him. Take these bands of the Chosen, then. Wear them, or you cannot enter the Forbidden Grotto, the only way out of the Eternal Garden. Honor and pride bids me tell you, none can escape the Forbidden Grotto. There, you will be the charge of my kinsmen, or they. You are unlike any other mortal I have encountered. You serve me, and then you spurn the reward for your service. Come, as an equal, I shall grace your name and corpse with honor. Your mind follows the simple path, the choice of an animal. You see an enemy, and you attack it. Unthinking, but you have courage at least. To slay a bold animal like you is not without glory. Mangkok Cameron's chattels, the Unmortals that swarm here in the Savage Garden, their proper role is to test themselves in unceasing combat. But being no true immortals, they are without honor or courage, and shy from battle. However, by some trick, they trapped one of my agents, the Zivilai Anaxes, in a cave. They show initiative, and Anaxes doubtless deserves humiliation. But I cannot permit this to continue. Do me this service of freeing Anaxes, and I will reward you with the bands of the Chosen and passage to the Forbidden Grotto. Show me some respect, worm, unless you want to end up in the cages with them. This is not one of Mangkok Cameron's chattels from the garden. Who is he? This is not one of Mangkok Cameron's chattels from the garden. Who is she? Well, carry on. You should not be here, mortal. Your blood is forfeit. Your flesh is mine. You should not be here, mortal. Your blood is forfeit. Your flesh is mine.